Hello and welcome to our channel, where we discuss topics that are not only informative but also very important to know. Today, we will be discussing a very serious topic that has been making rounds on social media, and that is the Xylazine drug, which is being used to convert people into zombies. This drug is a powerful sedative used in veterinary medicine but has found its way into the illicit drug market. What is Xylazine? Firstly, let's talk about what Xylazine is. Xylazine is a sedative drug that is commonly used in veterinary medicine. It is used to sedate animals before surgery or to calm them down when they are frightened or in pain. The drug is not approved for use in humans, but it can be found in illegal drugs that are being sold on the streets. What are the effects of Xylazine? When used in humans, Xylazine can have several dangerous side effects. The drug is a powerful sedative, and it can cause extreme drowsiness, slow breathing, and a drop in blood pressure. It can also cause hallucinations, confusion, and disorientation. In some cases, Xylazine can cause seizures and even death. History of Xylazine. Xylazine was first synthesized in the 1960s by the Upjohn Company, a pharmaceutical company that later merged with Pfizer. It was initially developed as a veterinary sedative and analgesic, and it was approved for use in animals in the 1970s. Xylazine quickly gained popularity in the veterinary field due to its effectiveness and safety for use in animals. In the 1980s, Xylazine began to be used off-label in humans for its sedative properties. It was used in emergency medicine and in surgical procedures as a pre-anesthetic agent. However, its use in humans was not approved by regulatory authorities, and it was considered a controlled substance due to its potential for abuse. In recent years, Xylazine has become a drug of concern in the illicit drug market. It has been mixed with other drugs such as fentanyl and heroin to increase their potency, and it has been sold on the streets as a cheaper alternative to other drugs. The use of Xylazine in the illicit drug market has been linked to cases of overdose, hospitalizations, and deaths. Xylazine has a long history in veterinary medicine as a safe and effective sedative and analgesic. However, its off-label use in humans has been a cause for concern due to its potential for abuse and dangerous side effects. The use of Xylazine in the illicit drug market is a growing problem, and it is important to raise awareness about its dangers and work to prevent its spread. Thank you for watching, and stay safe. How Xylazine works. Xylazine works by depressing the central nervous system, which leads to a decrease in activity in the brain and spinal cord. It binds to specific receptors in the brain called alpha-2 adrenergic receptors, which are responsible for regulating the release of certain neurotransmitters such as norepinephrine and epinephrine. By blocking the release of these neurotransmitters, Xylazine causes sedation, muscle relaxation, and analgesia, pain relief. Effects of Xylazine in humans. When used in humans, Xylazine can have several dangerous side effects. The drug is a powerful sedative, and it can cause extreme drowsiness, slow breathing, and a drop in blood pressure. It can also cause hallucinations, confusion, and disorientation. In some cases, Xylazine can cause seizures and even death. Recent reports suggest that Xylazine is being used to turn people into zombies. People who use Xylazine become completely disoriented, lose control of their limbs, and become unresponsive. They may also experience hallucinations and a loss of consciousness. Some have even reported that these individuals behave like zombies, staggering around and acting in a trance-like state. These effects are likely due to the potent sedative properties of Xylazine, which can cause extreme disorientation and confusion in users. Will Xylazine bring zombie apocalypse? No, there is no evidence to suggest that Xylazine will bring about a zombie apocalypse. The notion that Xylazine can turn people into zombies is a myth that has been circulating on social media and in some sensationalized news reports. While Xylazine can cause extreme disorientation and confusion in users, it does not cause individuals to behave like zombies or to lose their ability to reason and function as human beings. The reports of Xylazine being used to create zombies are likely the result of drug misuse and sensationalized reporting. The real danger of Xylazine lies in its potential for abuse, overdose, and other serious health consequences. The best way to prevent the harmful effects of Xylazine is to raise awareness about its dangers and work to prevent its spread. It is important to seek help if you or someone you know is struggling with drug addiction or misuse. What is the link between Xylazine and zombies? Recently, there have been reports of Xylazine being used to turn people into zombies. These reports suggest that people who use Xylazine become completely disoriented, lose control of their limbs, and become unresponsive. They may also experience hallucinations and a loss of consciousness. Some have even reported that these individuals behave like zombies, staggering around and acting in a trance-like state. What can be done to stop the spread of Xylazine use? The use of xylazine is extremely dangerous and can have severe consequences. The best way to prevent the spread of this drug is to educate people about its dangers and encourage them to seek help if they are struggling with addiction. Law enforcement agencies can also crack down on the production and distribution of xylazine to prevent it from reaching the streets. Conclusion. In conclusion, xylazine is a dangerous drug that is being used in the illicit drug market to turn people into zombies. The drug can cause extreme drowsiness, slow breathing, and a drop in blood pressure, which can lead to seizures and even death. It is important to spread awareness about the dangers of xylazine and work to prevent its spread. If you or someone you know is struggling with addiction, seek help immediately. Thank you for watching, and stay safe.